together, so we just walk 3 times. Step to the center. We're going to bring our leg in. So, walk. Okay. So we're going to bring our knee in. We push and we pull it back over the knee. And then we bring our hands through, grab the hammock by the knee, grab the whole thing. Then slide the hands out so you have a big clump in your hands, but your hands are nice and wide. So this is Toro Toro. We just stand on the floor and go side to side, like bull. And then we kneel in, and we're still pressing here. And I call this twist and shout, because it feels more like a twist. And then with the arms straight and wide, we unravel more and lower our belly in. Take your free foot into the hammock, slide it to the side of the hammock, and then slide it down the side of the hammock to put your foot in there. You can do the same with the other foot to make sure both feet are inside. So if you keep your hands wider, it's going to make you more arch, it's going to intensify, and if you bring your hands together, it lightens it a little bit. You're going to take your legs wide as well, so you're going to open up those legs, try to walk those legs out or push them out until they're as far as they're possibly going to go. Now remember, if your hands are wider, you're going to be more arched in your back. Try to relax your belly. Keep pressing outward with those legs. You're going to feel the glutes, maybe the outer thighs. Just be here for a moment with your breath. If the arch in the back or anything starts to get too much, slide the hands closer. That releases your back arch a little bit. If you want
shoulders.
Yeah, that's going to stretch your shoulders. Bring your hands in, we'll release that a little bit. So elbows closer together, but keep your legs out. Keep pressing into your legs so you're feeling the intensity build up in those glutes or those legs. Press into the calf muscles a little bit more. Take a deep breath, relax your face and your belly. And then slide your legs in towards each other. Maybe a little side to side, hands together too, and side to side sway. Maybe feeling a light crunch in your side body, but again, avoiding anything that doesn't feel good. If something doesn't feel right, then we don't do it. Shoot your hands out of the front to your tube top rack, so it's under your arms, above your boobs. Take your hands down towards the floor, and we come back to the dragonfly arms. We lift our arms up, our chest up, and you're working your back muscles a little bit here. So hands down, relax your neck, chin to chest. Inhale, open your arms up, arch your body. Release, exhale, open up. Inhale. You can press into your toes, the tops of your feet if that feels alright. If it doesn't feel alright, just don't do it. One more time, open the arms up and go side to side. So you're reaching your hand down the side of you, one way and the other. So it's kind of just a little more of what we were doing before when your arms were in. Just a little more intense with it. And then release your head, your neck, your face, your arms. Just let it hang. Pull your belly in a little bit here though. Relax your face. So in yoga, we learn we can engage muscles and do stuff, but we can also relax at the same exact time. So we're pulling our belly in, we're releasing our arms and our neck, letting go of all the muscles across our face. So if we don't let circulation happen, if we're squeezing the muscles in our face, then circulation is not able to happen. But as soon as we relax, you can feel the face kind of sinking towards the ground. That's your circulation flowing through your face. Filling up the capillaries. Now we want to open one arm up towards the ceiling and reach and grab the hammock. We're going to bring the hands inside and slide the hammock all the way down and over the other arm. And stretch out. So we're back in. And then we're going to roll onto our side. So you're stretching out. That's okay. We may bump. So you're on your side body. Here. You're going to just lean back a little bit and then pull the knees into the belly and stretch out, maybe lean back a little bit and then pull the knees into the belly. Hold the knees in the belly and pull them really close. Try to get as close as you can to yourself. Squeeze, 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 and then relax. Take a moment and just be. the top arm feels like it needs to be somewhere else, you can adjust it down the side of the body or by the face. Just find ease. Stretch out your legs, reach your arms overhead one more time, and this time slide to your back. Silkworm, slip and slide until you're on your back flat. Then extend your arms overhead. You don't have to grab the hammock. If you can, you can. If you don't want to, you can just reach out, or if you can't reach. And then lean side to side again this way. So this is our crescent sways. We want to bring our feet and our arms to one side, and then the feet and the arms to the other side, so you're curving the hammock and yourself. We're going to drop the knees the opposite way and roll to the other side. So you're lying on your side again. And then stretch out nice and long. Reach your hands far away from your feet and back. Then pull the knees into the belly, the elbows into the knees. Slowly extend out again. Stretch, reach, breathe. And then pull the knees into the elbows. Squeeze yourself tight like a ball. Keep squeezing, get a little closer, and then relax. Again, adjust your top hand to fit you wherever you're comfortable. Take a few moments to let go of everything. Relax your face. Unclench your teeth for pressing. Take a deep breath. Extend those legs out long. Extend the arms overhead one more time. Slide yourself to your back. Come back right into the crescent sways. Once you get comfy and on your back, start to lean a little side to side. Release the hammock from your hands. Just reach your hands one way, the other, followed by your feet. When you're ready to stop moving side to side, find the center, bend your elbows, releasing your hands over your head towards the floor. The hammock might come to the crease of your elbows here. Relax your arms by the sides of your head, or front of your head, wherever they feel comfortable. And then just be. Simply let go in this space. If your shoulders feel really tight here and this is uncomfortable to stay, you can take your hands and the bend of your wrist or your palm, or the side of your thumb can go to your forehead if that's comfortable, or the sides of your chest, the theme of Halloween, or your belly, wherever you're feeling good. I know sometimes when my shoulders are tight, bringing them overhead like this for a period of time starts to get uncomfortable. It could feel really good, but in the event, don't suffer in silence. Always adjust and move to fit you right now. And then just be here. Enjoy this moment of stillness and quiet. Releasing the tension from your whole body. Taking deep breaths. Finding ease. You can take a big breath in to stretch out. Maybe a little crescent sway, but lead one way and just stay there for a moment. And then when you're ready, lead the other way and hold that. Release your arms again and walk your feet out of the hammock. The hammock is now at the crease of your knees, behind your knees. Just hang here for a breath. Release expectations. Just enjoy this moment. Letting go of anticipation helps us experience now. And reach your hands up and grab the hammock above your face. Pull yourself up into floating child's pose. So one more time, bring your hands in the back. Hammock should be at your knees. Release your shoulders to the front edge. Keep them inside the front edge. And let go of your face once more. As you breathe in, lift yourself up, grab onto your hammock. And then toes to your nose, feet to the floor, straight legs up, straight legs down. Stand up, find your feet on the ground, bring your mind to the bottom of your feet, and just feel the floor. Lift your head up towards the ceiling, relax your arms. Maybe try to draw your tail down towards your heels a little bit here. Bring your mind to your feet again. Feel your feet. Maybe lean into one foot and the other. Find both feet even on the ground, just by swaying until they're centered. Bring your hands to your heart. Just feel your hands up against each other, or your thumbs up against your chest. Take a breath. In life, hidden in the forces that pull us down is the energy that lifts us up. Fly high. Enjoy your day.